right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one made in South Korea for the U.S. market. This is, food. Oh, and this is their Korean style rice noodle spicy. Look at that. Yeah, so how's everyone doing? Good, I hope. It's been a few days since I've done a review. The weather has gone from this to that to the other thing. We just celebrated the 25th birthday of Kenmore, Washington. Actually, this is they did it on Saturday, which was the 26th, and the actual birthday, I guess, is on the 31st, which is Wednesday. So, yeah. But that was cool. Got a free t-shirt. You'll get to probably see that one of these days soon. We're marching quickly towards the beginning of the school year and dealing with the bureaucratic ridiculousness of the bus. So, my son's autistic. He rides the bus. The bus comes literally right there because I'm legally blind, and walking them to their school takes forever. Well, and if they walk to the school and back every day, they would be so dead tired. I mean, it's not much for me, but it's a lot for them. So anyways, that's and it worked out last year for my daughter to be able to ride the bus as well. It's already coming here. It's not like I'm asking them to take the bus elsewhere or do anything weird. But for some reason, they like to, we can't come up with those decisions until October. I'm like, okay, well, you do, but that's BS, because they did it last year before school started. So, long story short, I don't drive. My wife works. School starts 2 hours into when she's working. So she would have to be able to get them to school. Driving your kids to school these days sounds like a freaking nightmare too, because there's like a line a mile long. And if you want to sit there and wait in line, like it's like to pick up and drop off your kid, it almost looks like it's like 45 minutes to an hour. It's stupid. So for her to do that, she'd have to go to work late and come home early. That'd be the only way it would work out, which doesn't work. Sorry. And what I would have to do, so say they said absolutely not. Like, okay. So what I'd have to do, get him to the bus, get him on the bus, and start walking with my daughter, who's in first grade. It's about 2 miles away. Walk her to school, have her get there probably about an hour late, and then at the end of the day, be there to pick them both up and walk them both home, with them carrying big heavy backpacks and all that crap. It's just stupid. It's like, I'm sure they will come to the logical conclusion. If not, I'll just have to escalate it up the ladder. But I don't think I'll have to do that so much. But you never know. It's silly. And this is the only thing I'm like confused of with like serious silliness, because it's like, come on. Oh, you have to do this every year. We need to make sure that there's enough room on the bus for everybody. The bus is about 10% full. My son's been riding it for 3 years now. So, yeah, there's room. There's gonna be room. Yeah. But they call up this morning saying, oh, we don't have your daughter listed as on the bus. Really? So, yeah. We're always there to the bus on time. That's one thing. There's a lot. I mean, when the bus is late, usually it's not because of the bus driver. It's because of parents like not waking up on time, or the bus driver having to wait, and the bus driver didn't say, "Oh, my kid's sick, so they're not going to be there." So yeah. Anyways, so here's food. Oh, look at that food. So this is a compelling rice noodle insofar as it's a different gauge, different kind of style to it. Yeah, there we are. Cheers. Almost floury, almost doughy. Our broth. Children are watching SpongeBob SquarePants. It's good. It's got a nice, tasty seafood flavor. No, not seafood. Spicy flavor. Salty, spicy. There may be seafood in that. I'll have to look again. But yeah. Alright. Let's go like that. We'll add liquid. And we'll get doing other things. It's kind of deep. I really expected this to be like not exactly perfect sizing. So we got that. I'm going to include a slice of chashu. I wasn't leaning in that direction, and I thought, hey, oh, chashu. What I wish I had was some beef, because the next one that I'm doing is beef as well. I didn't have time. My wife is being treated to a hoity-toity lunch with her cousin, which is really cool. She doesn't get to do stuff like that very often. There we are. And what do we got next? We've got some spring onion. And since it's spicy, I decided to go and do some peppers. Are any of these red? That looks red to me. That's green. There's a red one. It's kind of a long stem. These are mean little suckers. They'll take you downtown. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go with that. Yeah. Now we'll add some what? Oh, crushed red pepper wouldn't kill you. I'm not looking for things to kill you, but you know. And some seeds. Maybe a couple more. And there we have it. Oh, food! With their Korean style spicy rice noodle. Yeah. Rotation. Yeah, I can help you. Remember, don't spill it on the couch. You're welcome. Enjoy. All right. Thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. And this is Kung Shifu soyed beef. Artificial soyed beef. Is that like corning beef? I don't know, but we'll give it a try. It's made in China. I think it's actually made in Hong Kong. And yeah, this has been Hollis the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. It helps the whole world out. Get a membership if you want. If you're of the means, you could run the show for a week. You could. Have a good one. Bye-bye.